Solve for the variable x in the equation shown below, and which of the following is true? So again, I'm going to make this so that every term is a fraction. So I'm going to have 7x over 8 minus x over 1 equals x over 72 minus 4 over 9. I want them all to have the same denominator, so that common denominator would be 72. So I'm going to multiply this one by 9 over 9, this one by 72 over 72. That one's already a 72, and this one I'm going to multiply by 8 over 8. Okay, so now I have 63x over 72 minus 72x over 72 equals x over 72 minus 32 over 72. And now that all my denominators are 72, I can multiply both sides by that denominator of 72, and that will have the effect of making all the denominators go away. The denominators all cancel with the 72 I'm multiplying by. So I have 63x minus 72x. That would be negative 9x equals x minus 32. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And I have negative 10x equals negative 32. So negative 10x equals negative 32. Divide by negative 10. And we get x equals 32 over 10 is 3.2, but I don't have any decimals in here. I have a denominators of 5. So 32 over 10, I could divide the top and the bottom by 2, and I get 16 over 5. And it's a negative over a negative, so this comes out positive. So 16/5 is my answer. There's only one solution, um, which means I can eliminate A and B. And the answer is 16/5, which appears right here. So the answer is C.